All right, it is window washing time. Whether you love cleaning windows or you actually don't enjoy it at all, I have some simple solutions to be able to reduce your cleaning time. First of all, you just need to go grab your Norwex mop. When you purchased your mop, it came with a wet mop pad. You just need to make it wet, wring it out, and it's ready to go. The next thing you're gonna grab is the window polishing mop pad. So this is basically a window cloth, and it's just for polishing your windows, and you use this predominantly dry, but you're gonna notice on a couple of the videos that I talk about misting a little bit of water onto the surface before you get going, okay? The next thing that we're gonna use is this Enviro wand. So the Enviro wand clicks apart, and this little handle will click onto the bottom of the base of your Norwex mop pad as well for being able to wash your windows. And this Enviro wand, it also clicks onto the bottom of your Norwex pole, so you can reach up high and it just clicks right in with these little holes. Now you can do high ceiling fans, you can get down in your dryer vent, you can dust all kinds of things with this Enviro wand, but we're gonna use it for windows today. So the other thing that I need to bring to your attention in regards to the mop is that the mop is aluminum, so it's super lightweight, and you just grab it by the pole and you can make it really long or you can make it short, either or. But when you have it fully extended for washing your windows, just keep about 1 inch of the aluminum inside the blue pole, grab it right on the green bar right here and twist it to lock it. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. All right, let's get started washing your windows. All right, so here we have a window that's like just on my patio, so I can easily reach it, but using the mop base actually really expedites the process. So what I do is I take the base from my mop, attach the handle from my Enviro wand, and it gives me good leverage. You can either choose to lock or leave your head unlocked. For this particular window, I'm gonna lock my head. Take your water bottle, and I recommend that you just throw like a squirt or two of water on your mop base. And if you want, you can even throw a squirt or two of water on your window and it will nicely glide. So this is a replacement for the Enviro cloth to remove all the dirt and the grime off the surface. So let me show you how great it works. Now you can remove the Enviro cloth pad, which is your wet mop base for doing your floors. You can simply remove that off and you can attach your window cloth pad. So I don't ever want this to touch the ground because I'm doing my windows obviously, so I just kind of hold it up against my window, attach it by Velcro. Again, I want to make sure that my mop handle is locked. And I'm gonna throw a squirt or two of water on my window mop pad as well. And if you want, you can throw a little water on the window too. And you can just effortlessly go ahead and polish your windows, and it will make them streak-free and shiny. Maybe you have glass paneling at your home that could use a little extra cleaning. Once again, use the wet mop pad attached to the Enviro wand handle, and you can just throw a little bit of moisture on your mop pad, throw a little bit of moisture on your window, and go ahead and wash your window panes. Hi, buddy. How am I doing? Hey, Bentley? things that really matter in life are obviously our family and our health. One thing that I love about Norwex's products is they protect both. If you are currently using Norwex products, I'm confident you have an amazing consultant. If you don't, I would love to be your consultant. Reach out to me, send me an email, because I'd love to educate you more about Norwex. Have an amazing day.